The examiner is going to say to you, I'd like you to reverse into any bay of your choice. So reverse bay park, which means backwards.
If I remember right. No. Oh my days, what are you doing? You're giving me a headache.
Reverse into any bay of your choice, please.
Okay. Okay, why not?
Have you seen that car that's just entered the car park behind you?
No.
Okay.
There is no car coming. Is this one?
You only know if you can look, yeah?
Yeah, but
if you're looking for it, you'll see it, won't you? Yeah?
there wasn't it? Was it?
No, there wasn't, no.
But that's why I didn't see it.
No, just keep looking.
Okay. Okay. Oh,
I'm hungry now, I'm starving.
that's why you are.
Reverse bay park for me, please.
A bit more. I don't remember if that's how it was. Okay.
Oh Lord, give me strength.
You're gonna survive. You're with me. Okay, there is no one. Okay. Making sure no one is coming. Okay.
Nice observations, well done.
No. I should start straight in.
There we go, thank you. And drive out of here for me, please. If you could exit the car park. Well done. Got it in first time and nice observations.
Okay.
What's very good in Romanian?
Foarte bine.
Foarte bine.
Yay.
Get out of here for me, please.
Okay, okay. I was worse at the forward. I can't believe that. It's fine, it's fine.
It's fine, don't worry. You don't have to get it into the bay first time. You will get a minor for each readjustment. However, if you don't get in the bay first time, don't stress, we're going left at the end. You can always readjust. One minor. Readjust 2 times, 2 minors. Try not to readjust more than twice.
Hopefully.
If you can't get it into the bay within 3 goes, you don't deserve a driving license. You need more practice. Follow the road ahead for me, please.
A few minutes later.
I would like you
No. What?
to pull up next to... No, just keep following the road ahead for me. Nowhere suitable at the moment. Okay. See that car parked up on the left over there?
Yep.
Pull up next to him and reverse back to the curb for me, please. Within 2 car lengths. That's Suzuki, see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Pull up next to him for me, please. So another parallel park.
You're just trying to kill me.
No, I'm just trying to teach you how to drive and pass your driving test. It's as simple as that. Stop being such a drama queen.
I'm not going to say anything. There are people. Okay. Okay, that kid is far away.
The longer we're here, the more chance of somebody appearing in front of you, yeah? Or behind you.
Looks like I did something wrong. Okay. Away. 1. Okay, 1. Yeah, no one. Okay.
Top of your list of priorities is
Checking.
observations.
Yeah.
Like a manic meerkat.
Yeah.
And very, very slowly.
I think I did too much.
So if a car appears over there, or over there,
He's
or
coming.
over there, that's it.
Should I wait for him?
No. Keep an eye on him. Now stop. There we go. Just keep it, stay here. There we go. Now then, have a look in there for me.
No, I'm straight actually. Is it? Yeah, a bit more. Maybe. Yep.
There we go. Handbrake on into neutral. Move away when ready.
We're going that way. There is no one coming. I don't need signal to light. There is no one. 9 days. Okay,
Well
okay.
done. Then we'll take the next turning on the right for me, please.
From where the car came. Yeah?
That's it, we're turning right here. Well done, very nice.
I did it once. I remember. No more on the right side. We need to be on the left side.
That's correct.
I hope I remember that from the exam as well.
Yes, you will. You'll be fine. Follow the road round to the right. Just watch this little
Yeah,
lad
I was
here.
looking at him. I hope he doesn't cross the street. No, don't do it.
He looks like he wants to. Just keep an eye on him. Keep an eye on him. That's it. Nice and slow. Well done.
He didn't look at me at all, you know?
No, I know.
Maybe I should have let him cross. Oh my god, someone is gonna.
You're just nice and slow, keeping an eye on him. We never, ever stop for somebody and beckon them to cross the road, okay?
Yeah, that's a fail.
That's it. You are taking responsibility for somebody else's actions. We're turning left. If you stop and beckon somebody over and somebody comes from the other way and knocks them over, it's
my
your fault, okay? Obviously, we come to a stop if they step out in front of us because we don't want to run anybody over. But you never.
Actually, I may want to run some people over, so.
We might need to run some certain people over.
Yeah, but we won't do it.
No.
But
Follow the road ahead for me.